pick up the cord, we hook it on this spot here, we take it round anti-clockwise, okay. Guess what? This is it. Hey guys, welcome to another exciting class today. On today's class, we'll be looking at a small portable Tiger generator, popularly called "I Better Pass My Neighbor" in this part of the world. Okay, today we'll be looking at the generator starter cord. The starter cord, no matter how you pull it, it refuses to return. Not that the gen doesn't start, it starts, but the issue right now is this starter cord. Okay, let me start it so you get exactly what I'm talking about. Okay, the right way to start it is you put on the switch, you shook, the foil tap is on, and you start. You see, even after starting, the cord refuses to return on its own. And if you are conversant with this kind of generators, you do know when you pull the starter and the gen starts, the cord is supposed to return on its own. So we'll be working on that. We'll be looking at the reasons why the cord has refused to start on its own and put it in place. Okay, without further ado, let's start. First off, we lose the generator's tank. Basically, we use this three-way spanner for learners. Just get these three-way spanners that consist of the 10mm size, 8mm size, and 12mm size. It will help you so well. However, we have already shot a video as regards this where we teach you on the kind of spanners to get for a small portable generator. You can get it from the link above the screen. All right, taking up the foil tap. Okay, up next we are going to lose the starter. Taking off the starter. Right? Okay, this is what we have. This is what we have now. This is the starter, but it doesn't return on its own. We'll be working on this and basically, let me be sincere with you, this is quite easy to fix. It's not difficult, but if you don't know it, you don't know it. And that's the reason we're here. All right. Camera up close. Okay, this is it. When fixing this starter, we rotate to the left. There's a point here where you can hook the cord. This cord. There's a point here where you hook the cord. Hope you are getting this. It's quite technical, though it's easy, but it's still very technical. I will take it out again so we can get it easily. When you rotate to the left, it's called anti-clockwise. When you take to the right, it's called what? Clockwise. This time around, for us to fix this appropriately, we'll be taking the cord to the left. We pick up the cord, we hook it on this spot here, we take it round anti-clockwise, okay. Guess what? This is it. We have easily fixed this starter. I'm not sure there's any other easier job. or any easier repair technique in a generator than this. This is very easy. We've easily fixed. Alright, you see it's very perfect now. Up next, you fix it. Alright, we successfully fixed the tank and the starter, so let's start. You see, even after starting this time, the starter cord returns back to default setting. It returns back to position. Alright, I hope you've learned a lot from today's class. If you've learned a lot, please do well to subscribe, or just click on the subscribe button below. Do well to turn on notification as well, share with your friends and family, and please drop your comments in the comment section so we can interact as a family. To meet in our next class for more technical skills and acquisition, it's goodbye from our end.